Hello there, my dear friends. Today I will be showing you this wonderful small apart hotel that is located right at the entrance of the city Los Terrenos. It has been built not too long ago and there's 10 apartments here, and 5 of them is for renting and 5 of them is for buy. So let's go check out the quality of these apartments and of course how much they cost. This apart hotel is located right at the entrance of the city Los Terrenos. And from the beaches of La Bonita is a 5-minute drive, and to the center of the city is a 7-minute drive. And that is also counting all of the traffic in the city. It is located right below a mountain. Take a look. Hills and forests, which means it'll be a very quiet and calm place. And from here you do not hear any noise from the roads. This place has only been finished a few months ago, so let's see what type of apartments they have. Everything done here is with high quality and quality materials. This type of stuff is perfect for renting out if you use this place like an investment. Today we're going to be looking at an apartment with 1 bedroom, and as we walk in the entrance there is a small little terrace here. The apartments themselves are very spacious, and the doors, as you can see here, are very nice and wooden with electrical locks. The total area of this place is around 818 square feet. And as we walk in, we end up in the living room. Everything in this place is put in a way where it's spacious. The sofa folds out. Up to 4 people can sleep on that fold-out sofa. Everything here is new and nice. As you can see, we have an oven, a gas stove, and the kitchen itself is very big. A big microwave, a refrigerator, and a sink. Everything here is already provided and plugged in, so everything works, and there's already cups and plates. And a very interesting idea that they pitched, instead of a door, they used this curtain that comes down from the ceiling, electric, and behind it is this house owner's area, so a washing machine and a drying rack. Now again, in this apartment there is 1 bedroom, and in the living room you could fit up to 4 people, but 2 would be optimal. And including the bed, it would be very comfortable to live here with 4 people. That is information for the people that could possibly be renting out this place. A natural lighting in the room, which is very nice, a bed for 2 people, a air conditioner, and then in the corner of the room we have the closet that smells kind of like a new car. And everything here is kept very tidy and clean. And here is a very spacious bathroom. I would say personally that it's a bit too spacious. Here we have a very spacious showering area and a big window in the other side of the room and the toilet itself. Now let's go check out, in my opinion, the best part about this place, the big terrace. All of the apartments here have a lot of privacy available for the consumer, the buyer. As we walk in, we have a kitchen table to where you sit down and eat lunch, supper, breakfast, dinner. And then beside it, we have a coffee table with 2 chairs. And then against the wall, we have a very interesting idea, in my opinion. I like to call it a lively wall. So out there is already outside. You can't go through there, through the outside. But it's like an area where there's palm trees and so forth. And of course there's a curtain, electrical one, that comes down from the ceiling to guard that off. And here they also have a jacuzzi. You could turn on the hydro massage in the jacuzzi or a heater in the jacuzzi, and these bubbles come out. And for the heater part in Dominican, you don't really need it because it's always very hot here, and it would be much more nicer for the water to be cold. But that is my personal opinion. If anyone wants hot water, they can have it. So you come home from an evening and you can sit around in a jacuzzi. So these are the apartments, my friend, and let me remind you, the area of this apartment is 818 square feet. With one bedroom, the place is optimal for 4 people in total, and the price tag for this place is $165,000. And one thing you could do is pay 50% as soon as you move in, and then later on pay out the other 50% whenever you do the contract and officially own the place. And that thing goes on for 5 more years. So you pay 50% up front, and then you have another 5 years to pay another 50%. And this is the exclusive thing for only this apart hotel. The owners decided to do this for their clients. I personally recommend for you to purchase this place if you would, and rent it out to other people as a business for yourself. In my personal opinion, again, will also be from $140 to $190 per day. And you could do that this whole year because this is technically a city hotel, and especially on the weekend if you have this system. In short, it's a very good investment to make and then turn into a business if you rent out this apartment. And a lot of foreigners really like to get these type of places through Airbnb, because everything here is kept clean and tidy with a very good location, and the quality of the place itself is very good, and everything is good on the front of transport. To the closest stores is 5 minutes, to the beach is also 5 minutes, so it's very easy to travel across town. And another nice thing is that on the roof of this apart hotel there is a wonderful swimming pool. So at the end, why don't we check it out? And right now we are on the roof on the terrace of this apart hotel, and right now they are finishing up the final touches on the swimming pool. So they're putting in the tiles, pouring in the water. So unfortunately I cannot film you the swimming pool and that nice blue water. Instead, why don't we just check out the area? I mean, everything, a lot of greenery, trees, looks very nice. And the area around it is very peaceful and quiet. And the guys are finishing up on the final touches, but still it's very, very nice. Let me show you the pool anyways. Here as we're walking up, here's a little bit of the water, and they're still doing the finishing touches. So come here, get a place, and spend the rest of your days in this wonderful swimming pool.